harnessing the power of Axure and Figma for seamless UI/UX design. In the ever-evolving world of UI/UX design, staying ahead of the curve and delivering exceptional user experiences is paramount. Designers are constantly seeking efficient and collaborative tools to streamline their workflows. We will explore how the combination of Axure and Figma can elevate UI/UX design by leveraging the strengths of both platforms. Understanding Axure and Figma. Axure. Axure RP is a powerful prototyping tool that allows designers to create interactive and dynamic prototypes. It offers a wide range of features, including drag-and-drop functionality, conditional logic, and data-driven interactions. Axure is known for its ability to create complex and realistic prototypes that closely resemble the final product. Figma. Figma is a cloud-based design tool that enables real-time collaboration and seamless design handoff. It offers a robust set of design and prototyping features, including vector editing, design components, and interactive prototyping. Figma's cloud-based nature allows for easy collaboration and version control, making it a popular choice among design teams. The power of integration. By combining Axure and Figma, designers can leverage the unique strengths of each platform to enhance their UI/UX design process. Ideation and wireframing. Axure's robust prototyping capabilities make it an ideal tool for quickly creating interactive wireframes and low-fidelity prototypes. Designers can use Axure to explore different design concepts, test user flows, and gather feedback from stakeholders. Once the wireframes are finalized, they can be imported into Figma for further refinement. Visual design and collaboration. Figma excels in visual design and collaboration. Designers can use Figma's powerful vector editing tools and design components to create visually stunning and consistent UI designs. Figma's real-time collaboration features enable multiple designers to work simultaneously on the same project, fostering seamless teamwork and efficient design iteration. High-fidelity prototyping. Once the visual design is complete in Figma, designers can export the design assets and import them into Axure for high-fidelity prototyping. Axure's advanced interactions and dynamic content capabilities allow designers to create interactive prototypes that closely resemble the final product. This integration between Axure and Figma ensures a smooth transition from design to prototyping, saving time and effort. Collaboration and handoff. The combination of Axure and Figma facilitates seamless collaboration and design handoff between designers, developers, and stakeholders. Design collaboration. Designers can use Figma's collaborative features to share design files, gather feedback, and iterate on designs in real time. This fosters effective communication and alignment among team members, ensuring a cohesive design vision. Developer handoff. Figma's design handoff features simplify the process of sharing design specifications and assets with developers. By providing accurate measurements, CSS properties, and exportable assets, Figma streamlines the handoff process and reduces the chances of misinterpretation. Iterative design and user testing. The integration of Axure and Figma enables designers to iterate on their designs based on user feedback and insights. User testing. Designers can use Axure to create interactive prototypes and conduct user testing sessions to gather valuable feedback. The insights gained from user testing can then be used to refine the design in Figma, ensuring a user-centered approach. Iterative design. The seamless integration between Axure and Figma allows designers to iterate on their designs quickly. Changes made in Axure can be easily synced with Figma, enabling designers to refine the visual design and prototype simultaneously. The combination of Axure and Figma offers a powerful and efficient workflow for UI/UX designers. By leveraging Axure's prototyping capabilities and Figma's visual design and collaboration features, designers can streamline their design process, foster collaboration, and create exceptional user experiences. Whether it's ideation, wireframing, visual design, or prototyping, the integration of Axure and Figma provides designers with a comprehensive toolkit to bring their design visions to life. So, embrace the power of Axure and Figma, and elevate your UI/UX design to new heights.